is rosemary? Rosemary, scientifically known as Salvia rosmarinus from the May family, native to the Mediterranean, this hardy pine needle-like perennial shrub has bridged culinary art and traditional medicine for millennia, with its aromatic, resinous scent of pine, citrus, and sage. In the kitchen, rosemary is a powerhouse. It cuts through the rich fats of heavy meats and gets delightful crispy when roasted on vegetable. In beverage, it seamlessly infuse weight into liquid and transform basic sugar syrup into complex gourmet. The value of rosemary goes way beyond flavor. Rosemary acts as a natural food preservative, boasts anti-inflammatory properties that soothe digestion, and its scents even provide cognitive support to enhance memory. Plus, its stable essential oil make it a foundation staple in global cosmetic and skincare.
This slide shows the raw material used, which is rosemary. The rosemary must be freshly harvested, have a strong aroma, and show no sign of rotting. The leaf should be uniformly dark green and free from pests, mold, and any damage. These quality requirements help ensure the production of a safe and high-quality final product. This slide presents the processing flow of the rosemary. The process begins with harvesting the rosemary, followed by sorting to remove unwanted materials and poor quality leaf. Next, the rosemary is washed thoroughly to remove dirt and contamination, then drained to remove excess water. After that, the rosemary is dried to reduce its moisture content and prevent its quality. The dry rosemary is ground into the smaller particles for easier use. Finally, the product is packaged and stored under the suitable condition to maintain the freshness and quality until it's ready for use.
Next, pre-treatment processes involved in the production of dried rosemary. The first step is harvesting. Rosemary is harvested at the proper maturity stage when the concentration of essential oil and aromatic compounds is at its highest. This helps ensure a strong aroma and high quality final product. Harvesting is preferably carried out during dry weather conditions to minimize moisture content. Several indicators show that the rosemary is ready for harvesting. The plant should be well established and at least 12 inches tall. The leaf should be dark green and healthy. A strong rosemary aroma should be released when the leaves are gently rubbed and the flower buds may begin to develop, but are not yet fully open. Roasting, the rosemary undergoes sorting. During this process, damaged leaf, discolored plant material, weeds, and other foreign matter are removed. Sorting helps improve the uniformity, appearance, and overall quality of the final product. The next step is washing. Washing is performed using clean potable water to remove dirt, dust, soil particles, insect, pesticide residues, and other contaminants that may present on the rosemary leaf and stems. This process improves product safety and reduces microbial contamination, ensuring that the final product is clean and safe for consumption. The washing, the rosemary is subjected to draining. Draining removes excess water remaining on the leaf and stems before the drying process. This step is important because it reduces drying time, our energy consumption, prevents uneven drying, and minimizes the risk of microbial growth caused by excess moisture.
Drying is an important preservation method in reducing moisture content of rosemary. This helps extend its shelf life, prevent microbial growth, maintain quality, and facilitate storage and transportation. There are three common drying methods: air drying, oven drying, and freeze drying. Air drying is simple and low cost, but it takes a long time and depends on weather condition. Freeze drying gives the best quality, but it is expensive and time consuming. Among these, oven drying is the most common used method. It is carried out at temperature of around 40 to 60 degrees Celsius, where hot air circulation removes moisture from the rosemary. Oven drying is faster and provides better control than air drying. However, if the temperature is too high, it may affect the quality and aroma of rosemary.
After the drying process, the final product is dried rosemary leaf. The reduced moisture content helps to extend shelf life by preventing microbial growth and reducing the risk of spoilage. At the same time, drying helps to preserve the characteristic aroma and flavor of rosemary. Depending on its intended use, dried rosemary can be sold as whole leaf or processed into powder. It is commonly used as a seasoning and flavoring ingredient in food, such as roasted meats, soup, sauce, and also bakery quality. Dried rosemary is packaged in airtight and moisture-resistant materials such as glass jar, plastic containers, or laminated pouch. These packaging materials protect the product from moisture, oxygen, and light, helping to preserve its aroma, flavor, and overall quality. The product should be stored in a cool, dry place and away from the direct sunlight.
For the conclusion, producing premium dried rosemary starts with a perfect harvest. By selecting mature, pest-free, dark green leaf during dry weather, we capture the plant's peak of essential oil. Next, the drying process through air, oven, or freeze drying is critical to reduce moisture, prevent spoilage, and lock in vital nutrients. Ultimately, optimizing this step delivers a top-tier final product as a whole leaf or powder that perfectly preserves its rich aroma and flavor for versatile culinary uses.